This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Ernesto Aguilera. A great opportunity to own a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, oversize 1CG home in the heart of Port Charlotte. Split floor plan boasting a large master bedroom and bathroom combo with an easy step-in therapeutic tub, a large walk-in closet, enclosed lanai, new vinyl fence, newer AC unit and a newer water heater, new septic tank in 2021, new electrical box in 2019, recent exterior, interior paint, and carpet cleaning. All within a well-kept quiet neighborhood, short drives to all of the town's amenities, and less than 20 minutes to the nearest beaches. This won't last long, so bring your offers before May 10, 2022 by 10 a.m. For more information, review the details below.